10 days ago, storefront stalking for Amazon FBA online arbitrage was changed forever. If you do not know what happened 10 days ago, we released the first version of Arbitrage Stalker. If you do not know what Arbitrage Stalker, let me put you on game. Arbitrage Stalker is a software that I developed to help you be more efficient with storefront stalking. We are going to get you up to speed. Do not worry. We are going to talk about it and what purpose it serves and how it actually helps you with storefront stalking. But I also want to talk about the fact that we have new plans and there's new features coming up pretty soon. Okay, so right now, before I actually introduce myself, right now, you can actually try the tool for $9.99. Okay, for $9.99 a month, 3 sellers. You can start tracking 3 sellers. Refresh every 12 hours. You need to use your own API key, and you get 1 custom monitor. You do not get the Discord bot integration and the replant catcher. We are going to talk a little bit more about that, right? Because, as promised, the launch offer is over. Okay, you cannot use the launch offer does not exist anymore. It is over, and I told you guys that it was going to be over, so now you're going to pay a little bit more money, but it's still a way better deal than all the stuff that people offer that try to do the same thing that Arbitrage Stalker is doing. It's way less. It's not as good, if we are being honest, not as good. So, yeah. Before we actually start and we get into all that stuff, if you do not know me, my name is Chris Mangons. I release daily videos right here on YouTube to help you scale your Amazon FBA business. If you need more help, okay, the free videos are not enough and you have everything that you need to scale to 7 figures. If you have the time to watch all my videos, I know that it's a lot. You can get coaching from me, link in the description. If you do not want to get coaching, I don't know what to tell you. Just get the tool and do all your stuff. Watch my videos and all that stuff. All right. So, Arbitrage Stalker. So if you do not know what Arbitrage Stalker is, it's a tool that allows you to make you more efficient at storefront stalking. It's a tool that will help you instead of doing storefront stalking the dumb way, which is opening a random product, start tracking products, all that stuff. Instead of doing it this way, what you can do is actually track great storefronts and receive a notification whenever they add a new product into their storefront, on their storefront. The reason why it's the best way to do storefront stalking is because if you do storefront stalking, you will see the same products over and over again. When you are on a storefront, you will not know if a product has been sitting over there for a long time, if it has been sitting, if it's a new product. You're going to look at products that have been over there and that have not been selling because the price has tanked, all that stuff. It's a waste of time. A big waste of time. Instead of doing this, what you can do is, as I said, you can actually track storefront. So you add storefront to Arbitrage Stalker, and I have a ton of tutorials that shows you how to do it in other videos, right? But the way it works is you start tracking storefront and it will actually send you a notification on Discord if you have the pro plan, and even with the basic plan right now, but with the $9.99 plan you cannot use the Discord integration. But so it will allow you to track storefront and will send you notifications just like these whenever a new product is found or whenever a potential replan is found on a storefront. Okay, so that's pretty much how it works. It makes your sourcing way easier. Instead of going through 10,000 products, you just go to 10 products daily. You will find some leads, I guarantee, if you do it correctly. Now, as I said, we have new plans because the launch offer is over, guys. The launch offer is over. I told you if you wanted to get the launch offer, I wanted to give something to the people that have been following for a long time. For the first people that were going to jump on the tool, it was the launch offer. It's too late, okay? The launch offer is over. If you had the launch offer, you could have paid. And you guys should know why you do business now, okay? So whenever I release something new, the price is always lower. And if you can lock in at that price and get all the features that get released in the future. People that had, by the way, if you had the launch offer, you will get all the features that are going to release, and we are going to release the version 2 of the replan catcher that is going to come with crazy features that are going to allow you to find replans super fast, okay? That are going to allow you to analyze replans like in a way that was never done before, all right? So what you can do, so as I said, we have the new plan. So if you do not want to pay $40 to try the tool, you can now pay $9.99, okay, for a month and start tracking 3 sellers. You can get used to the tool, All right, you can start getting used to the tool. The only thing is that you will not get the Discord bot integration and the replan catcher. Okay, so you will need to do everything on the web interface, which is right here. And I don't think I showed it to you already, but yeah. All right. So you can get the 40 sellers plan for $39.99. And by the way, it says that it refresh every 12 hours. It's not true. It refresh every single hour. Okay, it's just because we are going to set it this way. I need to do it in the back end because I don't have an easy way to do it in the front end right now when I create the plans. So yeah, it will be done, but like if you get your plan right now, it's going to be every hour. Every single plan it refresh every hour, but like this is what it's going to be later. By the way, same thing for the replan catcher. If you get the basic plan, you get the replan catcher right now. You actually get the replan catcher. Watch the previous videos to see how it works, and when we have the upgrades, you are still going to have the replan catcher. So I would get the 40 sellers plan if I were you. No, the 150 sellers plan, the pro plan. If you get this plan, you will get access to every single feature with your price is locked. You will not need to pay more for every single feature that we are going to release. And this is how I do business. This is how I've been doing business. You guys know this is what I've been doing with the target list, with the coaching, because people that got on my coaching groups when I started them just pay $50 and they actually have access to Arbitrage Stalker for free as well, because this was part of the deal. Okay, if you get on the coaching groups right now, it's $100 for the new groups, and you do not get access to Arbitrage Stalker anymore. So as always, when I release something, you guys should understand this. When I release something, you always have crazy deals at the beginning, and your price is locked as long as you stay. So yeah, it's something that you should do, something that you should know. All right. So for the seller plan, $39.99, way better deal on whatever is on the market right now. 100 pro plan, 150 sellers, access to every features in the future, and the replan catcher. By the way, if you got the launch offer, with the launch offer, you get the first one got 100 sellers. Okay, if you max out number of sellers that you currently have, just let me know and I'll match the highest offer. Okay, that we have, the highest number of sellers that you can track that we have. For right now, I don't know if I'll do this forever, but with 150 sellers, I'll match it. And I'll probably increase your plan. You don't even need to ask. I'll probably increase you guys' plan to this plan, all right? So, by the way, you should actually get the 150 seller plan because you're going to get access to every single feature that we are going to release. The next thing that I wanted to tell you is this. Soon, you're going to have access to features that will allow you to actually cut the membership that you have for other tools that you use, that you pay, that are overpriced. Okay, that are way overpriced for what they do. Soon, on Arbitrage Stalker, we'll have the same features for way less money. All right, it's going to be part of your membership. So, yeah, I would be on the lookout for that if I were you. And so, yeah, if you want to see how it looks on the Discord server, here we go. This is one that we set up because we have an Arbitrage Stalker course playlist. Okay, you can watch the playlist actually if you want, and you're gonna see how we set this up on Discord and all that stuff. You know, like if I were you, I would actually look at those videos as well, and just click on the screen right now. You're gonna see those videos. That's it for me today. It was just to tell you this little thing, and a lot of other features are coming on Arbitrage Stalker. So I'll see you later.